Good morning, guys. Hello. Center spray. I get this beautiful flower along my way. Tapos kaming mag-harvest ng cabbage. So this is my knife. There. It's color pink with this beautiful orange flower. I forgot my teeth. I did not put it on. So there, it's raining and stop raining and rain again. It's always changes the atmosphere of the weather. Yeah, just want to flex this beautiful flower. Tapos na kami mag-harvest ng cabbage. At pupunta kami dun sa isang garden. Mag-harvest kami ng onion. Makikita nyo mamay later. I won't, baka ilang minutes kasi ako baka makarating doon. So ito bababaw ako, tapos aakyat kami doon aakyat ako ulit sa doon later. So yeah, this beautiful flower and me is the content today. Thank you. I will change it to the front view camera para makita nyo dadaanan ko, and then yung i-harvest natin, pupuntahan natin yung harvest natin na na leeks, onion leeks. Bye bye. Thank you. Continue watching and keep on subscribing sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe there. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.